David, do you want to run the dishwasher?
Okay.
Get the square. Okay. Goes right there. Okay, close it up. Do you need Mommy to open it? The rinse aid. Want me to open it? You excited to run the dishwasher? There you go. Okay, close it up. Okay, which buttons do you push? That one. Push that one and then start. Okay, push start. You need the lock. Okay, push that one too. Alright, where's your kangaroo? Can you give your kangaroo a hug? Two. Look at Mommy. David. Are you still doing the dishwasher? Can you look at Mommy?